And now, the moment we're all been waiting for, competition time. This is target. Every competitor gets one little target on the target paper. 5 shots, and we'll count the points. Well, here are the results of the competition. There's competitor boss. He's doing a lot of film work today, so we have plenty of footage of our Sunday shoot. Wow. Here are the results. Newbie boss. He did great. Where's Mark? She had 1 flyer, so we don't count that one. Maybe a wrong pallet, I don't know. Now go to the results of Gush. Not bad either. I shall put my thumb near it. You see it's just tiny stuff. And here Mr. Daystate. Sorry guys.